Arrive in style with this 2014 Jeep Wrangler. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, engine immobilizer, pass-through rear seat, CD player, and satellite radio. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.